Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I've got a quick honeydew project, and it involves using my pop rivet gun. My first Christmas honeydew. Let's do some pop rivets. For those who don't know what a pop rivet gun is, here's my pop rivets. I've got a few different sizes, but all of them are a 1/8 inch diameter. Let me give you a close-up on my pop rivet gun. Pop rivets. I have a few different lengths. This one is 9/16 long, this one is 3/8 to a 1/2 inch long, and this one is about a 1/4 inch long. And I got these rivets from Ace Hardware. They're called 1/8 inch diameter rivet. And that's based on the fact that the rivet diameter is 125 thousandths in diameter. What does it do? It will rivet two or connect two pieces of sheet metal together. And I've got just the project, or I should say my wife has just the project. A couple of Christmas ornaments that she puts out in the yard. And this one, the head is ready to break off. So she asked me if I could reattach it. It's like, yeah, I guess I can. I'll go out in the shop and do that. I have another one that's not too bad. The scarf is falling off. She kind of twisted it around to hold it on, but a good wind is going to knock it off. So a quick rivet is going to hold this together. I think I'm going to start with this one. What I have to do is drill a 1/8 hole through it to accept the head of this rivet. Instead of a 125 drill, 125, which is 1/8, I thought I'd go with a number 30 drill, which is 128.5. 1/8 is 125, and a number 30 is 128.5, which gives me a little wiggle room to get that rivet in. My number 30 drill is where? Right here. I always measure my tools. 128.5. All right. Let's move some of this stuff that I'm not going to use. And I'm just going to make a quick drill hole through here. There we go. Make sure it's turning the right way. All right. Small piece of plywood. This one, like I said, is the scarf is just loose, and I'm just going to drill through. Now I think I'm going to use the smallest of rivets, and it just goes through to the other side. Let me flip this over so you can see. Pretty hard. It's inside this flap. But what it'll do, when I put this gun on top of the rivet, You'll keep doing that until it pops. That's why I guess they get the name pop rivet. That is not going to come off. I hope she's happy with that. Okay, now I'm going to do this one, which is a little harder. That head is ready to fall off. So what I'm going to do is just drill through here. Again, I'm going to use the small pop rivets. 1/4 inch and 1/4 inch. And this one, I could probably show you how it's smashing down, only because there's more opening on this side. The other one, it was behind a flap. I'm going to put 2 of them. One down here and one right about here. I'm going to drill it through this way. That didn't want to line up at first, but it's there now. Pump it, pop. Let me show you what it looks like on the other side. That's what it looks like when it all gets squished up before it pops. On the next one, I'll try to do it upside down so you can see what's happening when I squeeze that. Okay. I'm going to take the rivet, push it in from the other side. That's the rivet, popped all the way through. I'm going to put the rivet gun back here so you could watch. It pulls the head of that rivet down and smashes that rivet. Hard to hold it still. And that head ain't going anywhere. Hope that makes her happy. My first Christmas honeydew project. Anyway, that's what a pop rivet gun does. Pop rivets, like I said, you take the, it's like a nail, looks like a nail. Push it in, course, that has to be open. You push it in, and when you start to push down, it bites it. But what it's doing is pulling. It's pulling that little head in and collapsing all that metal. I'm hoping that Santa's happy, and most, I hope my wife is happy. My first Christmas honeydew project. So, I think this video is coming to an end. So I'm going to have to say, ho, ho, ho. No. Until next time, enjoy.